I don't like touched raw meat. Good job! It was a raw meat, yes.
I guessed right because I'm really smart.
Yes, he was right. It's meat, it's a beef.
Oh, it smells so big.
Are you vegan?
Reconsider.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, I hate it. I hate touch raw meat. No.
It's large.
Yeah, you're my hero and you won and you guess it. What is it? It's so hard.
I'm your hero, well, you're my villain.
So stressful.
I think you should touch them.
Hey.
Don't squeeze too hard, you might kill them.
No way, babe. Little cute. No, it's just spiders. It's cockroach.
You look so cute when you're scared.
Who they? I can eat it.
You can eat anything.
What the hell?
Okay, take it out.
It's just a toy. Oh my gosh.
Have to be slow?
Yeah, slow because it can bite you.
What is this, a hamster? What is it?
No. Slowly.
What is that?
Ah.
Is that like an animal abuse thing? Like, what is this? What is this?
Be careful, baby.
No, I just want to make sure like it dies, before I touch it. Is this a person?
It's like a silicone, right?
What is this, your ex-boyfriend or what? Nice to meet you, sir.
What is it?
It's a hand.
Hand, yes, you're
so
right.
tasty. See, I have no fear. I'm just...
Yeah. Like a silicone.
Can I keep this?
Of course. Why so stressful?
You're gonna like it.
Are you sure?
No.
I don't believe you.
You're gonna hate it.
I see your face and it's like something disgusting. I think, yeah. Please, no cockroach. Please, no cockroach.
See what happens to you.
Oh my gosh. I can touch it.
It's a bowl.
It's a bowl, okay.
Okay, now...
Is it cold? It's a water inside? It's eggs inside, right? Because it's just small balls. And maybe...
Maybe look at your hands.
Yeah, this is eggs I see on my hands and glittering.
Yes, it's egg